Hey guys, so I am in Portland, Oregon, and we came here yesterday. So yesterday we didn't really do anything because we were really tired. We barely made it on the plane though. So it's a whole different story. We barely made it on the plane and we're finally here. So today is kind of like our first day of going around and exploring everything. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you guys along with me so you guys can check out all the places with us. And then I think I'll put out like 3 different days vlog on my channel, just so that, you know, it's kind of fun. I think I've never done that before, so I think it'll be fun. But starting with the outfit of the day, so that's what I am wearing today. It's a really nice flowy dress, and yeah, I really love it. It's very nice. It's got a little cut over here, and it's not that cold out, but I feel like the place we're going today, it's like a collection of falls, so I feel like it's gonna be a little bit cold there because of the water and everything. So I want to make sure that I have something girly but still like kind of warm and makes me feel good. So that's what I came up with. I really love it. And yeah, I am gonna make my way outside. That's basically a room. It's kind of messy, but you guys get the point. And yeah, I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and let's get going. So here is our first stop for today for breakfast, and this is a food truck. It's called BRIDAL. I'm in love, and it seems to be very famous. There's a lot of, it's busy. There's a big lineup, so I'm excited to try it. I'll show you what I get. I ordered this burrito and I'm just waiting for it. It's taking so long, but yeah, I'm really excited to try it out. So that took forever, like more than half an hour. And they didn't have my burrito, so I got this vegan sandwich. What is this? What's the name? It looks good.
Veggie sandwich.
Let me try it.
It's a sriracha veggie sandwich.
Okay, so that took so long, but it's so good. Really good. Highly recommend it. So this is our first stop. We are literally hiking, and I'm not well dressed for hike. I am wearing the dress and everybody else is like in their hiking gear, but that's okay. So this is our first stop. It's a really nice hiking trail, and it's called Bridal Whale Falls. Yes, Bridal Whale Falls. Hopefully you can hear me through my mask, but it looks very beautiful, and I'm trying to be careful as I'm walking. Yeah, I'll show you the falls. So there is the river that we're gonna go to. So you take that path over there, and then I think you go down there, and then you go down, and then this is the path we covered. So it's not that steep, but it's kind of steep. So here's a good look at the trail. I think you can take the stairs like that and then it goes up, whereas that you can't see from here, but there it is. So I think you can go up. There you go. So there's the trail that we walked up to, and then here is the fall. So beautiful, right? So this is the Bridal Whale Fall, and then you could go on those rocks there. I think you just have to go down from here, but I don't think I'm gonna attempt that with my not so good shoes right now. So now we're at the Multnomah Falls, and look how beautiful that is. Oh my god, look at that. And I don't know if you guys can see, but see that little bridge there? Oh my god, that looks so good. See? That's where I'm headed next. So exciting. I think it's gonna have a really nice view from there, so stay with me. I'm gonna go up there and take another video. So here's the falls up close, and then we see the bridge once again right there, and then that's where we're headed next. Isn't that beautiful? So we came back up this way, and then we'll be going up there to see the falls up close. And then here is a view on the way. So beautiful. Just really love it. So here we are on the bridge. There is the fall. And then that's where we were before. Like right over there. So that looks like here. There's the other fall that you saw from downstairs, and then here we are on the bridge, and then here is the other fall. Okay, I'm so tired. It's just coming up so much, like down there, and I came up here, so just taking a little rest here. It's a lot of workouts. I'm working out on my vacation. Haha. It's time to refuel now. So we got 2 cheese pizza slices, and then this is a Danish, and then I also got like this giant cookie, which I kind of ate a little while waiting in line to get pizza. But time to eat now. So we are off to checking out the 3rd spot for today. And the trail is up here, of course. And then here's the road right beside it. It's pretty. Oh, did I mention how I changed into my sneakers? So comfy now. Can walk a lot. this is our 4th destination for today. It is a jam, but it's closed, so we couldn't go in, so we were just kind of stopping on our way out. It's been closed. It closed at 5 and we're past 5 now, so oh well. I just thought I'd kind of quickly show you from the outside, but yeah, it's so beautiful. It's nice and very, very empty, as you can see. Like, it's closed and nobody's here. Okay, so after checking out like all these falls, obviously like we walked a lot and we're really tired, so we went back to our hotel. We changed into something comfy, like rested a bit, and now we're heading to get some dinner. And I'm craving Indian food, so I've never actually had, so we obviously like go to a lot of Indian places in Boston, but I'm just curious to see what kind of Indian food they would have here, especially like flavor wise, if it's authentic or not. So let's see. I'll show you guys what we eat, and I'm really excited. I love Indian food. The dinner took forever, by the way. We had to wait for quite some time just to be seated. But anyways, we made it home. We walked home. It was good. I finished almost 12,000 steps for today, so I'm excited. And yeah, that ends my first day vlog. Stay tuned for a second day. I'll be taking you guys to a few more places tomorrow. I'm very excited. But in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.